Hey everyone, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to calculate percent yield in chemistry. So in chemistry, we often don't get 100% of the product we expect from a reaction. That's where the percent yield comes in. This will tell us how efficient the reaction was. So theoretical yield is what you should expect based on the stoichiometry, and then actual yield is what you got from the experiment that you did. So to calculate it, here I have it written out. Percent yield is what you got over what you expected times 100. So let's try a problem. Let's say you calculated the theoretical yield of water to be 36 grams, but in the lab you only collected 30. What you would do is you would go 30 over 36 times 100, which in this case would be equal to 83.3%. We can do another example. Let's say you react 4 grams of hydrogen with excess oxygen or whatever, and then in the theoretical yield of the water is 36 grams, but you only produce 31.5. What would the percent yield be? It would be 31.5 over 36 times 100, which in this case would be equal to 87.5%. So it's what you got over what you expected times 100. Now try one on your own. Let's say you should have made 25 grams of NaCl but only made 20. Pause the video and try it on your own. But when you come back, you'll see that this is just 20. So what you got over 25, what you expected, times 100 is equal to 80%. So a few common mistakes to watch out for: mixing up theoretical and actual. Remember, theoretical is what you expect, actual is what you got. Don't forget your units. I didn't write them here, but make sure you have your units because this is just grams. Not converting grams when needed. Sometimes they'll ask for the percent yield in moles, and so in that case, make sure you convert it. And then dividing the wrong order. And as a quick recap, make sure you use the formula, plug in the actual and theoretical values, and multiply by 100. Thank you.